We're going to be learning about worms. In this case, it's a worm that has a very long body that has rings on its body. It is called an annelid. And the annelid we are studying today is the earthworm. The anneli are the rings or segments along the smooth body of an annelid, like this earthworm. So that red stripe over there marks one of the many segments the earthworm has on the body. A worm does not have a head like we do, but it does have a head area that we call anterior. In the anterior part of the head is where the mouth is located. You can see the mouth over there. It's tiny. It's the beginning of the digestive system of the worm. And that's where the food goes in. The worm also has a posterior. Posterior is what we would call the tail end of the worm's body. And within that posterior is the anus. That is the end of the digestive system of the worm. And there is where the body waste comes out. In adult worms, they develop a clitellum, and it's a thicker ring or segment, annuli, that surrounds the eggs forming. And so this is sort of like a cuff or like a glove that then slides along the body and over the head, and then that is where the eggs for new worms are going to be held in a cocoon that is made of this special clitellum. Now, you might think that a worm is just a smooth body with segments, but if you were to look really, really, really closely, you would find setae. And setae are small hair-like bristles, like the bristles on a toothbrush, that are really tiny. It stick out, and they dig into the ground when the worm is crawling and help the annelid not to slip backward. Remember that annelid is another word for earthworm. And that's what I wanted to share with you, the different parts of an